Welcome to the YouTube channel of Michael J. Swanson. Michael is the author of How David Beats Goliath and is the CEO of Advocate Capital. And now, here's Michael.
Hi everyone, today's topic is vendor financing. Vendor financing is covered in Chapter 13 of my book, and it is a form of funding that we see in the marketplace occasionally. There are two forms of vendor financing. The first is unofficial, and that's when a law firm pays their bills late. Not recommended. But there are some savvy law firms that we see negotiating special payment terms with their vendors, thereby essentially getting financing for those costs. Now these costs can be things like expert witnesses or deposition services. And so the law firm will approach these service providers and get permission up front, an agreement, to pay these invoices at a much longer time period than usual. So instead of net 30 terms, they may be able to negotiate net 60 or 90 or even net 180-day terms. We've even seen some vendors who are willing to have their invoices paid when the case is resolved. So they'll agree to an indefinite time period, which is a huge benefit for the law firm. Most of the time it's hard to estimate the cost of this because these agreements are normally private agreements between the law firm and the service provider. But our best estimate is probably a cost somewhere between 10 and maybe 15% annualized cost for this type of financing. But very often, if a law firm is a big customer of the service provider, they're able to get the financing or the extended terms at no cost. So it can be a very savvy thing to do for law firms. More details available in Chapter 13 of my book. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.